All right, boys and girls, welcome to Goran Guitar. We have Chiké here. That's the first time on Goran Guitar. Pretty sure about that. We have a song called Balance Am. Okay, so we have a chord progression. It's very easy. We can do that in two different ways with slight differences, but basically it's one chord progression and it goes round and round through the entire song. Let's dive into it. So we don't need any kick for this one. We're going clean, and we have four chords to handle here. The four famous chords: G, E minor, C, and D. That's great. Let's go into it, starting with G. So that goes third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have E minor next. That will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. C coming up there, and that will be third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And then final chord will be D. And that goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. Okay, so we got the tools now: G, E minor, C, and D. Let's go into the strumming. And this will be a strumming with two different parts, because sometimes we're going to split it. So let's go into a full strumming around with G. And it goes like this. Okay, so the first part will be down, down, up, clap, down, like this. Okay, so down, down, up, clap, down. And you have a short pause, and then comes part two. And we'll continue with the same chord here. And this will be just to play down, clap. And that's it. So if you connect these two parts, it will be like this. Again. And so on. In tempo. Okay, so we have this main chord progression that goes G, one full round, that means both part one and part two, and then E minor, one full round, then C, part one, the down, down, and clap, down, then D, again, part one only, down, down, and clap, down, and then finally G, one full round. That is played most of the times, and let's go for one chord progression around this. G1, E minor 1, C part 1, D part 1, and G1, like this. Okay, so that is what you can do from the beginning till the very end, but sometimes it changes a little bit based upon the same chords here, but it will be more splits. So we're gonna play G part 1, then D part 2, then comes E minor part 1 and D part 2. Then the ending will be the same. It will be C part 1, D part 1, and G one full round. So sometimes that chord progression is played. So G part 1, D part 2, E minor part 1, D part 2. Then C part 1, D part 1, and G one full round, like this. Okay, that is one round of that chord progression, and that is how we're gonna handle Chiké's Balance Am. Good luck with this one, guys, and if you enjoyed this, feel free to support me here on Goran Guitar. Till next time, play tuned.